For all Samsung's experiments with expandable screens that roll, scroll, and fold at the moment, the company has only two options available, the Galaxy Z Fold 3 and Galaxy Z Flip 3. But documentation submitted to the World Intellectual Property Organization by the company last week indicates that may not be the case for long. First uncovered by Sam Mobile, the World Intellectual Property Organization application shows a device that can be extended by a rollable section of screen. Two different designs are showcased, one where the rollable segment emerges out of the side and another where it rolls out vertically from the top. In both cases, intriguingly, the panel is transparent with the opaqueness seemingly adjustable by the user. We've been calling Samsung's rumored phone the Galaxy Z Roll because that's the name the rest of the internet seems to have settled upon. But that doesn't mean it will be the official name of the product. There's certainly no definitive rumor on what name Samsung's picked, if it's even settled on a name at all. Another possibility would be to name the new phone the Galaxy Z Scroll, as that accurately describes how the screen on the device will expand, or Samsung could turn to another name entirely. There's even the possibility of Samsung dropping the Z from its foldable phone names, the Fold and Flip included, as that letter has become affiliated with Russian nationalism in the wake of the invasion of Ukraine and some parts of Eastern Europe. Samsung has been selling the Galaxy Z Fold and package with the Z very clearly missing. Whether the rollable design is preferable to a foldable panel is up for debate, though it is telling that while a number of folding devices have made it into consumers' pockets, rolling ones are yet to escape from the concept phase. There was a chance that LG would be the first out the gate with a rollable device, but the company getting out of the phones game killed that possibility. Oppo also had a rollable Oppo X 2022 concept, but despite being showcased last year, it also hasn't made it onto store shelves yet. The history of tech is filled with examples of patents and plans that never get turned into a commercially available product. All the same, it's interesting that this is something that Samsung is even considering, especially when Apple's foldable phone reportedly isn't happening until 2025. Do consider subscribing for all the latest updates on this handset, and as always, I'll see you tomorrow. Peace out.